Hello, good evening. Here we are going to create a password hide and show. So right now I have an index.html which is blank, and I'm using Sublime text. So I've created a folder called text, and then there I have index.html. So let's create this thing. So we're just going straight and create one input with ID, with password. And then we'll create a simple span which will call show, and let's also give it an ID, hide show. So if I refresh my browser here, you can see we have something in there, and if I type in something there, you can't see that, and if you click here, nothing is happening. So let's create a code that will show the password. So just write script. Okay, we'll create a function here. So we say on click hide show, just like this. Then we copy, command C, then we say function var password is equal to document dot get element by ID password var hide show equal to document dot get element by ID hide show. Say if password dot type is equal to password, then we make password dot type gets to text, and also make hide HTML is equal to hide. Else password dot type is equal to password, and hide show dot inner HTML is equal to show. So say style, we just want to style a span cursor to pointer. So want to give it a hand. Right now if I point at it, you can't see that we are trying to click on this word show, but if I refresh the browser, then I point at it, you can see that we are trying to click on it. So we have already finished the JavaScript, and it should be able to work. What this means is that if the user input, the type is password, we'll make it text when we click on this function. If it is text, we'll make it password, and then we'll also change the word. This word will become hide, or when it is a hide, it will become show. So let's go and test this. So we type in something. Right now you can just see dots. If I click here, you can see the word, and here it has changed, saying hide. If I click here, it has changed, showing show, and everything in here is hiding. So this is a simple JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript code that you can use in your inputs for you to be able to give the user the hide and show system. Thank you very much.